Weekend Modder here with a send-in proof video for Robert K. Robert, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a Trinity motherboard. So we RGH'd it using the Ace V3 with CR4 speed up because we got that nice new batch of good quality Aces. And we did the orange LEDs. I saw the note about orange versus purple at half and half, and you had the caveat in there, and obviously you read the send-in form. The purple is very dim, so I just went ahead and did all orange. Backup disk here on top of the console has your original NANDs, CPU key, Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XeX menu, all that pre-installed on the console's hard drive. When the console boots here any moment, it will go directly into Freestyle Dashboard, and then Dash Launch and XeX menu and Aurora Dash, again, are all pre-installed. So there's our successful boot. That was actually a little bit on the long side for this console. I've probably booted it at least 10 times at this point, and most of them have been faster than that one, so just as an FYI. Again, as I indicated, it's going to start up directly into Freestyle Dash. Let me just resize this image on the capture, and that'll remind me. Let me go ahead and stick this thing in low resolution mode. Sometimes if people use a TV that's like limited to 720p or something, if the Xbox is set to higher resolution when you get it back, it can present issues here. So we'll just go ahead and set it in the display settings to 480p, and then it should work on any display, and you can turn it up once you get it back. Let's see, what happened here? Oh, there it goes. Okay, something's weird's going on with my capture card, so it's not liking that I'm changing resolutions on it. Yes, there we go. Alright, so console's all set up. Thank you for your business. We'll get this thing packed up. It will ship out to you tomorrow, priority mail, and you'll have it just a couple days after that. Thanks again.